In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a community group in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, for you to be able to create a community group or a group in Roblox is pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And once you're here, go to more down here. And you should see quite a number of options here. Among the options is communities. Now, if you tap on this, you should be able to see a list of communities or groups that you have. To create one, go ahead and tap on create community and then give your community group a name and a description if you wish. And you can go ahead and also add an image from your gallery or from your device and change the settings on how you wish. You can allow anyone to join or manually to approve membership. Now, once you're done, you'll have to go ahead and click on this 100 Robux. This is the total Robux that will be used for you to be able to create a community or a group in Roblox. So once you're done, now your community group will be active. So that's how you can create a group in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.